Have you noticed how much faster 3D artists work these days? Artificial intelligence is making a real difference. Behind the scenes in 3D video creation, AI is quietly transforming workflows and boosting productivity in powerful ways. Nearly every major 3D software, like Blender, Maya, and Unreal Engine, uses AI to speed up repetitive tasks. That means automatic character rigging, smarter motion generation, quick texture creation, and even scene setup. Artists spend less time on the boring stuff and more on actual creativity. For beginners and pros alike, this is game-changing. You don't have to be an AI expert to benefit. Most tools bake AI right into your workflow for efficiency. Simply use the latest version to become more efficient. If you want to stay ahead, watch how smart features evolve. By using 3D software with built-in AI, you're not just making your process easier, you get more time to create what you love. Download the updates, try out those new features, and see how AI can give your 3D projects a boost. Please like and subscribe to 3dartschool.org. Thanks for watching!